All India Trinamool Congress leaders from West Bengal, Molloy Ghatak and Manas Bhuyan met Mukul Sangma and 11 Congress MLAs on Thursday and welcomed them to the party. Handing over Trinamool flags to the Congress defectors, the two TMC leaders chorused slogans such as Trinamool Congress Zindabad and Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Zindabad with them in praise of Mamata Banerjee-led party.
Congress Jindabad, Jindabad, Jindabad. Mamata Banerjee Jindabad, Jindabad, Jindabad. Banerjee Jindabad, Jindabad, Jindabad. Abhishek Banerjee Jindabad, Jindabad, Jindabad.
Privileged to continue serving the state of the people of the state until 2023 election. And during this period of time, we expect to reach out to all our friends across the state. We have friends who have been already sharing their willingness to be part of this team. And I have every reason to believe that the trust and confidence with which people have given us mandate in the last election, though we could not form the government, but then as elected representatives, we have got the mandate from our respective electorates of our respective constituencies. We will carry forward our agenda of serving the people, serving the state. But in addition to that, we want to aggregate our strength to further strengthen All India Trinamool Congress and the leadership of All India Trinamool Congress. Or we always refer to her as Dear Didi, Mamata Didi.
Welcoming the Meghalaya Congress defectors to the Trinamool family, TMC MP Manas Bhuyan said that with such tall leaders of the state joining the TMC, the people of Meghalaya will be encouraged to help the party win big in the state.
I'm really tremendously happy that the tall leadership, very tall leadership of Dr. Mukul Sangma, the ex-Chief Minister of the state, and the ex-Speaker, Mr. Charles Springgrove, and our MLA colleagues, 12 in number totally, have joined under the leadership of Madam Mamata Banerjee in TMC family, and their presence, their leadership, and their experience will encourage the people of Meghalaya to come along with us to work in a big way for the people of Meghalaya under the leadership of Madam Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee. For that, Mr. Molloy Ghatak, Honorable Minister, very senior minister, and myself came to greet you, to pay our respect that you have stood beside the leadership of Trinamool Congress to fight the forces which is afoot to destabilize the country, which is here to destroy the democratic fiber, which is afoot to destroy the Indian democracy and the democratic norms.
Former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma also said that one of the main reasons why he and his 11 colleagues joined the TMC is to give a stiff competition to the BJP.
The reason why we have chosen to be in the National Party. That's the reason why we were in the Grand All Party. But in the last preceding years, as you see, we had to have our own analysis and our own research to find answers as to how we can really prevail upon our leadership to take course correction so that we are able to be seen as a force capable of taking on the BJP. But having tried, I must say that it has not yielded a result. That's the reason why we explored and explored and explored, and this gave us an opportunity to come across a political party which is considered as a political party, honest to its commitment to fight against BJP and the divisive forces.
It's a given that this mass exodus will affect the Congress party dearly in the state. But what will be interesting is to see how Mukul and his 11 commanders fare under the new leadership of Mamata Banerjee in Meghalaya politics. TNT Bureau.